All right, raise your hand if you've been going stir crazy. All right, so I'm going to give you something you can learn to do at home in your house, and that's learning how to juggle. All right, now I can't teach you how to juggle, but I can teach you how to teach yourself. What you're going to need is some juggling balls. Now, I got 3 ping pong balls. Ping pong balls are good. They're light. They're not going to break if you drop them, and they're not going to break anything else if you happen to throw them a little further than you thought you were going to. So the trick about juggling is you need to start with 1 ball. All right? You just have one, and you're going to toss it from one hand to the other, like that. And you're just going to toss it back and forth. It's okay to look at the ball and to look at your hands. And you're going to do this. Do this for a few minutes, and then later in the day, do it for a few minutes again. Later in the day, do it for a few minutes again, and do this for a few days until you get used to it. You might get used to it really quick. It might take you a little while, but you just keep doing this back and forth until you can do it without really looking at your hands. Now, once you can do that, that's when you add ball number 2. Get the white ball so you can see 2 different colors here. So you're going to take the 2 balls and you're going to throw 1 ball to the other hand and then throw the other ball to the other hand. So you're basically going to do this, but offset a little bit. You'll do one, then the other, like this. All right? So when 1 ball gets to the top, that's when you throw the other ball. So 1, 2. 1, 2. And you just keep doing this. Don't keep going, just do 1, 2, and stop, right? Do this for a few minutes at a time. Take a break. Do it for a few more minutes. Take a break. And you keep doing this until you get used to it. Again, it's okay to look at your hands, but you just keep doing that until you get used to it. It might take you a day, it might take you a couple days, however long it takes you. Hi, Hazel. All right, so after you've done that enough that you are used to it.
I have a same shirt as you, and it's light blue.
Yes, it is. Right. Once you're used to 2 balls, that's when you add the 3rd ball. And you're going to just do 3 tosses, right? 1, 2, 3. Stop, right? Don't try to keep going. The trick is to get used to the motion. 1, 2, 3. Right? Stop. And take a break. You might drop them. You might keep going. You might catch them all. Once you're used to that, 1, 2, 3, and you can do it without too much of an issue, then try to add a 4th toss. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? And then get used to that, maybe 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you just keep adding tosses until you can just keep on going. A little out of practice. All right? And once you've got good at that, then you can start learning tricks. But it's going to take you a while. It's probably going to take you at least a few days to get good at that. When I first learned to juggle, it probably took me a week. But I just carried these with me all over the place. So it's a good activity to learn. It's something you can do inside. And you can keep adding to it and adding to it. All right, we'll see you tomorrow.